Guys, my brother is playing a game, and it's a Harry Potter game. I'm sorry for that name, that water, but those are mine.
What's up, guys?
That's my brother. He's playing the game. I let him wear my tank top, and it doesn't feel tight on him at all. He's 8. I'm 6.
I'm 8.
Yeah.
Almost 9. I'm older than her.
He's not almost 9. I'm almost 7.
Baby, I'm like 11. But I pranked Daddy. I was the one that turned out his headphones. I know this one.
So, and now he's playing this Harry Potter. Here, I'll zoom in for you. This is the Harry Potter. These are his friends. Twins, and I have no idea who that is. I'm going to put you on my YouTube channel. Give me a huge thumbs up. Like, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs. No, no, no. Don't give me any single thumbs up. So, let me go outside. All right. I'll show you what's outside. Maybe my dog's outside. I think she is. Yeah, my dog's outside. So, guys, sorry, but this is my little doggy. She's a Chihuahua. She's a little girl.
It's floating.
All right, so this is a little girl. Have me call my name. Scream it. Have me scream my name. Hammy, scream my name. Yeah, my brother's not listening to me. Okay, so we have this thing. I'll whistle it for you. I can whistle. Watch. I can whistle louder. Alright guys, we're going inside now. Let's go. And let's go sit in our chair. Alright, we're back inside. Let me scream out. My little baby came in. Go in the chair.
Yes! He's
Chair.
chair.
Yeah. Go in the chair.
But he can talk.
Come on. Yeah, so now he's playing. You wonder why you can't hear it, guys? Well, he has the headphones in.
I have to
so.
wait. Oh. Oh.
In the pool. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so I would tell you what my brother's wearing. Look at me, Hammy. Hammy, look at me. I need to show them what you're wearing. He's wearing a red top. Oh, sorry, guys. I accidentally had it zoomed in. Because I zoomed it in the time to show you Harry Potter. He has a red tank top on. See it? And then he has red shorts, but they have like black, and you see that that's the gray line on it. And he has a new haircut. Yeah, from last time he was mad. Yeah, when I was filming him, and I sent it to Daddy, right, Hammy? Right, because he was trying to do the hype, but he couldn't. This is his face. Sorry, guys, I'm just messing with the camera. All right, okay. Turn. All right, so. All right, I'm gonna show you me. This is me, so, guys. I'm wearing yellow tank top with these stripes and some shorts that look awesome on me. That's my dog. Don't mind. Here, I'll zoom in so you can like kind of see her. She's like laying down. Come here, Sadie. Sadie. Yeah, see, that's my dog. I think she's a little tired. So, guys, I'm just going to end this video.